This is the entire the subtopics that you will go through. So it's not just one topic. So the first topic there is what you to know the probability. The work on the probability in A-level mathematics is extended to include problem involving arrangements and selections. So they're also talking about the permutation and combination inside the probability. Right? Like how do you arrange the things? How do you select it? That's what the permutation and combination probability. Right? Do you have that contents of that? Yeah, NPR and NCR. NPR and NCR is how do you going to open the NCR and NPR and how do you use that in your calculator? So you know the factorials, right? You know how to make the factorials, how to write the factorial values of any number. Yeah. Now tell me, have you heard about permutation before? Permutation is basically used for arrangements. Just for arrangements. If you have to arrange the things uh, in certain order according to the choices given in the question, according to uh, demand, you can say. So it basically is all about arrangement, right? And everything is NPR, NPR, and basically representing the total number of things, number of options I write, the entire number of options. R is like how do you want to arrange, right? So my words are most difficult, maybe not able to align to the books. The books also will be angry on me. So I'm just writing that how we open the NPR. Okay, so suppose and also like conditions are like your R would be always you know uh, always less than equal to n because n is the entire option that you have. So your n would be always greater than equal to r. You can go equal to, that's fine, but you r can't go beyond n. That is one thing. So if I have, let's say, 10 options, 10 seats, 10 students, 10 items, and I need to arrange it. I need to arrange it in certain order. Two at a time, three at a time, four at a time, five at a time, one at a time. R is that thing. Are you getting my point? R is that point. So let's say right now I am arranging one at a time. Okay, I'm just saying that okay, I wanted to arrange it one at a time. So my R value is one. So how do we open N, P, R here in this case? In fact, entire NPR, how do we open? It's very simple. It's n factorial upon what? N minus R factorial. N minus R factorial. Just check once if it is there in your booklet. This is how I write n factorial upon n minus R factorial. Okay. So like here we have n is 10. So we have 10 factorial upon 10 minus r, 10 minus 1. It will be 9 factorial. Just check once, like, do we open the NPR like this? Okay. I actually okay. So it's not that big thing. I just want you to do some research so that you understand it better. And otherwise, I can give you what it is. Just type permutation formula. It's not a big thing. Yeah. Yeah. Let me. My system is hanging a lot. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Since I opened it, the permutation, we'll discuss it in more detail. Uh, permutation meaning. Is it visible to you? Like, is the front side is closed? Let's talk about what is the meaning of the permutation because the basics should be very clear. Permutation is the distinct interpretation of a provided number of components carried one by one, or some, or all at a time. That's what I speaking when I was saying that when n is equal to 10, and let's say someone asks me to arrange it 2 at a time, 3 at a time, 4 at a time, right? 10 at a time. It can be, you know. So that's what they, the words, if you see, that's what they carried out by one or some or all at a time. For example, if we have two components A and B, then they are two likely performance AB and BA. That's what the permutation makes a difference as compared to combination. Right. When I say the selection AB and BA, these two are the two different arrangement. These two are two different arrangement. A first time, B second time, or I say B first time, A second time. These two are the two different arrangement. But when selection I am taking, I am just taking A or B. So whether you put in A first or B second or B first or A second, that doesn't mean anything. You have to give A and B, that's fine. But when I am arranging it, then these two are counted as 2. Are you getting this? So you can see ABC, how ABC selections can be different if I just changing the positions. So the numeral permutation R component are positions out of the total of n components, that is